Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to get verified on Janitor AI. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.janitorai.com. This will be leading you to the website of Janitor AI where you can simply tap on the register button. So to get your account verified on Janitor AI, all you need to do is simply register with Twitter, Discord, or simply type in your email address and create a password. Once you have typed in both the credentials, simply hit on the register button. Once you have tapped the register button, you will get an email from the Janitor AI team on your mail. So simply go and tap on a new tab and open your Gmail account. So once you open your Gmail account, you will then end up in this kind of interface where you can simply tap on the mail sent by Janitor AI. Simply hit on the confirm email option and fill in all the credentials in your profile. Once everything is completed, you can simply get verified on Janitor AI. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.